welcome back to my channel. Teresa Love here. Thank you so much for clicking, it means so much. So today I thought it would be fun to do a Finding Nemo tutorial. I'm gonna do Nemo on this side and Dory on this side, and it'll be like a half face makeup tutorial. And I've never done this before. This is my first time trying this, so I'm hoping it goes well, and I think it'll just be a blast. I have my base of my makeup on. I drew a little diagram of how I'm gonna do it, and I have my picture to follow. This is actually really nerve-wracking, but it's gonna be really fun, so I'm really excited. So let's start with the Dory eye, and that's gonna be my right eye. First, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Just squeeze a tiny little bit, then put it all over my lid. Make sure it really blends in. After you put the base on, you want to use a light, almost white transition color to make the eyeshadow look really pop. This is important to not have any sparkle because you just want it to be the matte shade behind to make it pop easier. I'm going to use the Too Faced I Believe in Pink, and I'm going to use Snow Girl, which is right here. And then I'm going to use my Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush. Tap it in. Make sure you tap off the excess. Place it all over the lid. Next, I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup in Your Element water palette. And I'm going to use this light blue shade right here. I have my Ulta Beauty Shadow Switching Pan. I use this every time I do eyeshadow, so I don't have to like use every different eyeshadow brush. It's just really easy. With the Zorea Flat Eyeliner 811E brush, I'm gonna go into that light blue color. And I'm tapping on the sides and tapping it off. This just starts the blue to transition into a brighter blue and a brighter blue, so we're just going to keep going up on the steps. Next, this e.l.f. angled eyeshadow brush. I'm going to dip into this lighter pink, I'm going to dip into this lighter blue. It's a little bit green, but this will be a great color to keep the base. Tap, tap. Next, I'm going to use this long blending brush, Mermaid, and just blend the corners and the edges. So now you've created the light blue, and we're going to start getting into darker blues. We're going to move on to the NYX Wind palette from In Your Element, and I'm going to use this, a little bit of this purple / blue eyeshadow, and this will be a flat mermaid brush. This is darkening up the shade and going in the crease to give it more dimension. Between each shade, you want to make sure you always blend. So I'm going to take my sparkly Brush Crush Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to blend it all. Little circular motions. Going to darken this look up a little more using another flat mermaid brush. This is a shorter one. In Palette Wind, we're going to go into this dark blue right here, and we're going to start on the outer corner and work it in. This is creating a lot more dimension to just make the fish really look super dark at first, but then as we transition to the color, it's going to just really pop. Back to the mermaid brush for blending. Make sure you start at the corner and angle it up so you don't get it below. And then little wiper motions to keep it in the crease, but also moving around. So as we know, Dory is a bright color. It's bright color blue from the NYX Element Water Palette. I'm gonna go into this one, and this one is matte. This will keep it so that it stays a base, and after we can put a little bit of a shimmer over it. Next, I'm gonna take my Bare Minerals Precision Eye double-ended brush and go into this matte blue that I was telling you about and tap it on the eye. Now this time you really want to just stay on the lid. See that blue? NYX Wind palette, and we're gonna find this bright blue, and it's sparkly. Always make sure you blend. Now the trick for this blue is we're gonna use a flat eyeshadow brush. This is the Ulta Professional, and we're gonna take my e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray, and we're gonna spray it on the brush. I do 3 sprays, and then I wipe off the plastic part. Then I'm gonna dip it in, the wet side into this bright blue, pushing the product into the brush. A little tap, and now onto the eye. This is going on the lid again. Now with the brush not sprayed again, we're going to tap into the blue again and tap off the excess. This is creating this gorgeous blue. And once it all gets cleaned up, it's going to look pristine and beautiful. Okay, so now that we've got the blue, we're gonna work on Dory's tail, which is yellow. This is very intricate work, so we're gonna use the Zoria Eyebrow 812 eyeshadow brush. Next, with the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, I'm gonna outline the upper part of my eyelash line, then go into the tail. This is very delicate work, so I really have to concentrate. Take this dark blue NYX Liquid Crystal and then put it in my crease to create the arch of Dory. Next, I'm going to take the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner and put it on the inside of the tail. Cute! And Dory does have a little circle back by her tail, and so I'm just going to make a circle to emphasize the birthmark that she has, the design. Ta-da! It kind of looks like an eyeball. Next, I'm going to go back to the eyeshadow and just take that bright blue, tiny little Real Techniques by Sam and Nick brush that is used very easily under the lower lash line. I'm going gonna dip into that bright blue again, which is from the Wind palette of NYX, and I'm gonna twist. It's important to get this very bright because you want it to match the rest of the fish. Next, I'm going to take the blue glitter again, which is the NYX Liquid Crystal. I'm going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes. When you cross it in the inner corner, it almost makes it look like her two lips. That is the end of the Dory eyeshadow look. I think this is super cute and it was super fun to do. I just love messing around with makeup. Also wanted to use this Infallible Paints L'Oreal Mini and do half of my lips. Wish me luck. Honestly, this look was just so fun and like I just had a blast creating it. I would not wear this out, but I think it looks super cute and super fun. When I turn my head like this, I look like Dory. Oh, sorry, I suffer from short-term memory loss. So this is half of the look. This is Dory, and another day I will be doing Nemo on the other side. So I really hope you enjoyed this look. If you'd like fun makeup tutorials or Christian videos or book reviews or crafts or like whatever, like you should totally subscribe, you should totally like, because I would love to have you join the family and I just love making YouTube videos like this. And I'm like really in love with this look. My friend is coming over in a little bit and she's gonna freak out because I look insane. But I really like it. This look turned out super cute. I'm like so excited, guys. Like honestly, this is like super cute. I'm so excited. I thought it was gonna be a total failure, but it looks so great. So yeah, I'll see you later.